world is changing, and we have to change with it.
The humans are fighting back.
Y'all come in here and you say you love me and you want me. I'm not yours or anybody's.
How are you doing this?
I play by a different set of rules now.
Come in here and answer for your crime.
Prepare to meet your maker, Warlow.
It is us against them. What is it going to take for you to understand?
I want this town lit up like a Christmas tree.
What if we don't deserve to survive?
We have nothing to negotiate with. We have nothing to fight it with.
What is it about me that you want?